Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make these super crispy oven baked chicken thighs. It's a really easy recipe to prepare and the whole family always absolutely adores it. And I've written a blog post which I'll leave down below, which has the full recipe and step-by-step instructions too, so click through for that. And be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know if you give these chicken thighs a try and what you think of them. So let me show you how to make them. Start by filling an oven-proof dish with your chicken. Use 1 to 2 kilos, 2 to 4 pounds. Really just depends on how many people you're planning on feeding. And if you want to have leftovers, I usually make more than enough for us. So we have it as a grab and go lunch option, or just to have to fill up plates at dinner as something extra nights afterwards. So yeah, fill your dish with chicken. And I like to keep my seasoning super simple. I just use salt and paprika. That is pretty much all that I go for. I give a good shake of salt and a whole lot of paprika too. That's kind of what I like to do. So it's up to you if you want to add in pepper. You can add in your seasoning of taste, some fresh herbs. There's so many options which are all written down in the blog post down below. But yeah, shake over a whole lot of salt, whole lot of paprika, and then I like to drizzle over extra virgin olive oil, just drizzle it over and make sure that then I use the spoon to just get the oil and the seasoning to every corner of the chicken. So I start mine with skin side down and then I flip them all over and then I season them the other side. So I start with the skin side down, flip them over, and then I season it all again with salt, paprika and olive oil, just getting it seasoned all the way through. So once it's all seasoned and I've got my salt and paprika on it, I drizzle over a little more olive oil just so it's gone on every side, smooth it out, and then flip it over again so that when it goes into the oven, it's skin side down the first time that it's in the oven. So it's all flipped over, ready to go into the oven, which is preheated to 200 degrees Celsius, which is 400 Fahrenheit, and then pop it into the oven for half an hour, and I'll show you after half an hour what it looks like. So the chicken's been in the oven for half an hour. The skin side down side is nice and golden and brown, and then we just flip it over and pop it back into the oven for a final 30 minutes to get that skin nice and crisp and chicken cooked through. So I will show you once it comes out of the oven. My crispy oven baked chicken thighs are out of the oven. Don't they look just so lovely and crisp, and they're lovely and tender and juicy within. And for sides, it is up to you to serve with whatever sides you usually like to enjoy with chicken thighs. I tend to make a big batch of rice and corn, and that's perfect for us, but it's up to you. I'll have all the ideas in the blog post down below. But that is the video for how to make these oven baked chicken thighs. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know if you give these lovely chicken thighs a try and what you think of them, and remember to check down below for the link to the blog post with the full recipe and step-by-step instructions too. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.